Hello, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be packing my hospital bag, showing you all of the items that I am packing and that we're bringing with us. I wanted to do this video because I have literally watched 17 other hospital bag videos because I'm like, what do I actually need to bring with me? I have always been an overpacker. I've always been that person that packs 3 suitcases for a 1-week trip because I have to have my whole house with me when I leave. These are things that have been told to me by friends who have had children who know, like, this is exactly what you need. Before we get into this, make sure that you are subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. Also, I'm sitting like awkwardly on the ottoman because I have to keep bending over to pick things up to show you. So if I look kind of like I'm awkwardly sitting, I am, so sorry. The first thing that people told me to pack are snacks, and so I was like, why? They have a cafeteria, and I actually like the cafeteria food at the hospital because I used to work there, so like I know that the food is pretty good. But I just threw in some snacks that we always have like around the house. The next thing that I thought was like super important for us to have, the iPad, so we can watch Hulu, like watch our shows on it or whatever, or I can be on Instagram or Pinterest. Either for me or for Austin, one of us will probably use it, so I definitely will make sure that it is charged and ready to go and in the bag. Another thing before I forget, everybody's telling me to make sure that I have one of my favorite cups with me because it's comforting and because you want to have like your water or your drink stay cold the whole time. I've been drinking out of it every day pretty much, so I know it'll probably be in my hands on the way out the door anyway. Kipper? I wish dogs were allowed in the hospital because I would totally pack my dogs with me because they are so comforting. Okay, next. These diapers. I'm so excited about this. Let me open them to show you what they look like. So I heard that the diapers that the hospital gives you are not that comfortable, and I heard that these are more comfortable and they're a better option to have. This is so exciting. I just can't wait. I'm not going to pack the entire thing with me, but I'm going to throw like 3 or 4 in there in the bag to have just in case these are more comfortable than what the hospital gives. As far as like makeup and toiletries go, I just have this bag. This bag contains my face. Packed with like all of my absolute favorite makeup items, and I keep it in my beauty room on the counter. And so like every day when I'm doing my makeup, I just put everything back into this bag so that way when it's time, I can just go in the room, grab the bag, throw it in the suitcase, and leave. I do not think that I'm going to do a full face of makeup at the hospital, but I do want to have foundation and concealer and mascara. I want to have all of that with me just in case I do want to put a little bit of makeup on before visitors come in. I have barely worn makeup throughout this entire pregnancy anyway. I put makeup on to film, to go out on a date night or whatever, but other than that, I really haven't been wearing any makeup at all. To imagine myself wanting to put makeup on after giving birth probably won't happen, but just in case, I will have it. It doesn't take up a lot of room in my bag, but I do have my current favorite moisturizer. I've used this for a while. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I heard that you get very dry. I was like, well, I definitely need to have this with me then. So I have this. Everybody told me, make sure you have chapstick. As far as clothes go, when I'm leaving the hospital and like coming home, I know I'll probably be wearing one of the diapers or one of those really big pads. So I was like, do I want to wear pants? I don't know if that's going to feel comfortable. I don't want to feel like my baby feels wearing a diaper and his pants. Like, I don't know. So I figured that I was going to want to wear a maxi dress instead, and this is a maternity maxi dress from Old Navy, and then I have a kimono to go with it. It's just really like light and silky. Just throw this over to cover up my arms. I got this from Target. It's really cute, and it kind of hangs a little bit past my butt. And then a loose maxi dress so I don't feel like an actual baby wearing a diaper. But just in case I don't want to wear that, I do have tight fit. I'm actually wearing them now. They are tight fitted leggings for like maternity leggings, and that'll just kind of keep me feeling like I'm all put together. After the baby comes out, I heard that you feel really gross. I will have these leggings and like a t-shirt like this. A lot of girls packed a nightgown that is like easy boob access and a nightgown, so I guess like, you know, when the doctors need access up there, it's just like you don't have to like take off your pants or be pantless or whatever. I don't know what to expect, but I have this really, really soft silky robe. It's from Victoria's Secret. I've had it for a few years, and I like that it's black so that way anything, body fluids, whatever gets on this, black is like gonna cover it up. So it's okay, and it is pretty old, so it's okay if it gets ruined. I'm fine with that. But it does have buttons, so I can easily unbutton it and breastfeed and then button it back. And it's very comfortable and loose, so this is gonna be really nice for after he's out and I'm just laying in the bed relaxing. And I also packed maternity jogger type pants. These are from Old Navy as well. They are very stretchy and loose. So I have black and I have striped, and then the tops are nursing tops, also from Old Navy. It's with the maternity line, and so it's easy boob access. I have the black one and the striped one. So I have 2 pairs of those. I know I probably won't need all of that, but I have them just in case. Another thing that people are telling me to pack are slippers, and these I bought a couple months ago from TJ Maxx for like $8, and they are already ripping and falling apart and they're disgusting, and I don't plan on bringing them back home with me. I just don't want to spend more money on slippers. So I'm going to bring those with me. If I want to wear them in the hospital, I'll wear them, and then I'm just leaving them there or throwing them away there. Alright, I'm not going to pack all of these, but I wanted to include it in this video. But I did want to just show you guys, just in case you are still needing some really nice nursing bras. I got these off of Amazon from Hofish. I will leave the link below in the description box. But oh my goodness, you guys, I have never in my life been so excited for bras in my entire life, because these are so comfortable. They're so silky, and they're just really, really soft and stretchy. They are 92% nylon and 8% spandex. So I got a large because my boobs have definitely expanded. I got pink, nude, and black. 3 of them for $25. So it has clips up here. It's just like the basic nursing bra. So easily comes down, you feed, and then you put back up. If breastfeeding and everything goes well and I still need more, I'm definitely ordering from them because the price is amazing and the quality is incredible. I also, from the same company, got 2 pumping bras. So they give you nude and black, and you hook the pump up. It's like that's the hole, so it'll hold the pump for you. I'm not going to bring them to the hospital with me, but I have them at home ready to go. They come with reusable pads, so like for leaking milk and stuff, you can put these in those bras and then take them out and wash them and then reuse them. And I will leave the link for those as well. And then from the same company, also makes underwear, and it's the same exact material that the bras are. And these are huge, like huge. But if I can wear these with the humongous pads that the Padsicles that I also include in this video, I can wear those with these and it'll still feel loose. The pad won't feel like close up to my skin, so it won't feel like uncomfortable or anything. So these are actually going to be perfect for postpartum. You get 3 pairs and they're very, very soft, and so these are going to be very comfortable to wear underneath all my clothes with the jumbo pad. When I was in Target, I picked up these breathable micro mesh low-rise briefs. You can never have too many comfortable pairs of underwear, especially after giving birth. I know that they told me to stock up on them, so I have a bunch of really nice underwear. I do recommend these. I already tried them on and they're so comfortable, so they'll be really nice with healing and recovering. Toiletries, I have it bundled up in this. This is usually where I go overboard when I'm packing because I have to bring like all of my products with me all of the time. My hairbrush doesn't fit, so I just put it in here and rolled it up, but I have my hairbrush with me. And then I have nipple cream and the throwaway pads for your bras, and dry shampoo and lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and makeup wipes. In case I have makeup on my face when I'm on my way to the hospital, I can just use a makeup wipe while I'm sitting in bed and not have to do the whole washing process. Roll it up, and it has a hook on it so I can hook it up on the back of the door. This, I was debating on whether it needed to be in the baby hospital bag or not, but I am going to bring my Polaroid camera, and I have a whole box of film with me as well because I am going to take a picture of him when he's in the little bassinet thing, and I can put it in his baby book and it'll be like super cute. Believe it or not, everything I just showed you all fits in this carry-on suitcase. So it's not a humongous suitcase, but I figured bringing a carry-on with wheels is nice because we won't have to carry anything on our shoulders. So my baby bag, when I pack his, will sit on top of here, and then we'll just roll the whole thing into the hospital and then roll it on out so we don't have our entire house packed with us. I did really good. I simplified it a lot. I didn't include any of Austin's clothes because that's not interesting, but he has all the clothes that he needs packed in here as well. So that wraps up this video. I hope that it helps you. Don't overthink it and stress out like I have been. It's really not that big of a deal. Just pack what you know that you are going to need and what's going to make you feel comfortable. You know, bring as much or as little as you want. But I hope that this did help simplify it for you a little bit, make you feel a little bit better about it. It's packed, it's ready to go. I'm ready for the baby, so any day now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I will leave the baby bag video linked in the description box below for you so you know what I am packing for him. So everything that you're going to need for this will be some Always maxi pads. I picked these up at Target and I got the heaviest one that they have because I was told that's what you need. And I'm not going to make this entire package just because I don't know. You can never plan what's gonna happen. Maybe I would have to get a C-section at the last minute. Like, you never know. I plan on giving birth regular, but I don't want to waste an entire pack of pads if I don't give birth vaginally. So I'm only gonna make a handful of these. They're so easy and quick to do. It won't be hard at all for me to just make some more. I have witch hazel. And you're supposed to spray the witch hazel on the pad, so I didn't have a sprayer. I just picked up a spray bottle from Target for like $2. So I'll pour some of this in the spray bottle and spray it on the pad that way after I put aloe vera on the pad. And then I'm going to store it in a gallon-sized storage bag. Also, I disinfected my countertops and washed my hands, so everything is all clean. That should be enough. I only filled it up, if you can see where the liquid is, it's only right here. I only filled up that much because you're not supposed to get the pad soaked. So you just open up the pad like you would normally. Oh my gosh, that is so long, it's crazy. Okay, I have to take off the sticker because I have to be able to open it up, but I'll put the sticker back on, so I'll save that. Spread it open, take a little bit of the aloe vera, and then I'm going to use this spatula thing just to spread it around so it's evenly distributed. I feel like I'm frosting a cake, but I'm frosting a pad. This is hilarious. I have heard that these feel like absolute heaven when you're in the healing process, so I'm really excited to have something relieving in my freezer waiting for me. Okay, so after I spread it out, I'll get it kind of damp. That might be too much, I don't know. Okay, then I'm gonna fold these back down. Okay, and then fold it up like normal. Tape it, and there's one.